Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse talking about one of our top selling items. This is the A&A Style 2 pop-up head. So this one happens to be a low flow. If you can tell by looking at the bottom of them here, I'll get a high flow and show that to you as well. So that is here. If you're looking underneath them, you can see this has a lot larger of an opening where this one is closed off. Also, the high flow that has the larger opening also has a much larger nozzle on the inside here where this one's a lot smaller. So that's how you can tell the difference between a low flow and a high flow. We have lots of these in stock. The high flow part number is 236341, and this is an A&A Style 2. The low flow part number is somewhere around here. 236241. So that's 236241. We have lots of these in stock as well. However, the manufacturer did discontinue these. So these Style 2 pop-up heads have been discontinued at manufacturing. We have hundreds of them left, so they're going to sell out pretty quick, I bet, maybe this season or the next. But there is an alternative to these, and that's the G2 pop-up head. Look for another video on that one. It's coming out soon. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We look forward to seeing you on our website, ePoolSupply.com, or down at the shop, 2710 West Bell, where I'm at here. And I'm Greg. We'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.